Fin-Texas, play on words for fintech, financial technology. Texas is turning into a financial center for business. Dallas is the second largest financial hub in America, only to New York, Wall Street. Texas is emerging as a potential new hub for stock trading, with the planned Texas Stock Exchange, TXSE, aiming to challenge Wall Street's dominance. The TXSE is expected to launch in 2026. Today, Texas is home to 55 Fortune 500 companies, the highest number in any state. Major firms like Oracle, Hewlett-Packard Enterprises, Charles Schwab have relocated their headquarters to Lone Star State since the pandemic began. The move that CBRE says can help save a company 15 to 20% on employee wages, especially if you're moving from California. And it's a great exodus from California to Texas. Texas is a favorable destination from all three aspects. In comparison, California has high tax rates, high housing costs, and strict regulations for businesses that have made it challenging to live and do business in the area. The three big cities in Texas is Dallas, Houston, and Austin. There's a couple other mid-level cities, but those are the big three right there. Dallas, Houston, and Austin. And the Texas economy grew at a rate of 4.2% in Q3 2024, growing faster than the nation as a whole. Think about that. Texas grew faster than America in 2024. So we're talking about growth tech, growth stocks, financial technology that's growing in Texas. And Texas is still growing. I mean, Texas is a huge economy. It's probably it's in the trillions. So growing at a 4.2% rate at that growth is actually pretty solid, So that's good to see. And the Texas economy is the 8th largest when compared to nations of the world and is now valued at $2.6 trillion based on GDP in 2023, up from $2.4 trillion in 2022. So Texas, big state. Everything's big in Texas. Financial tech's going out there. Tesla's coming out there. So there's a lot of things happening in Texas that we have to be cognizant of, and we have to make sure, are we looking at companies in that area that could do some damage in the positive way for our wallets, right? And so I just have a little map here. So you see we have Dallas right here, Houston, Austin. So you kind of have a triangle right here with them, a nice little triangulation. You have San Antonio just a little south, Fort Worth right next to Dallas. I love Fort Worth. I love Dallas and Fort Worth. I mean, I've been visited a couple times, and it's a great place, a lot to do. If you watch football, Jerry Jones, he knows how to put a show on. So I really enjoy the city and the state a bunch. So now when we're talking about some of the gematria, we have Texas Tech, simple 33 English reduction. Texas Tech, 33 English reduction. Simple enough. We know how powerful the number 33 is. It is Texas Tech. Then we have Dallas is a southern Wall Street, a quote-unquote y'all street, fintech industry, because Texas people like to say y'all. So y'all street, right? 333. Dallas, Houston, and Austin in fintech, 333. A Dallas, Houston, Austin, Wall Street, 333. Texas money after Trump 2024 win, 333. And company coming to Texas, Trump 2024, 333 English ordinal. And you see all the other connections we have. We have the 117 in Y'all Street, fintech industry, Dallas, Houston, Austin, in fintech, Texas money after Trump win, and money coming in to Texas, Trump 2024, 117, and a couple other nice decodes. But you see the strength in the 333. And then we have air and water signs combined in Texas, 137 English reduction, which is the 33rd prime number. Again, so 133 is the 33rd prime number, which means it's the 33rd number in the line of number sequences that can only be divided by itself in 1. So it's really not too divisible, which makes it very strong. So this is where we're going, and this is what you have to understand, or where to look in the forest for stocks. Where is the growth coming from? Where is it getting hot? Where's the hot spots? So we have financial tech industry. We understand what Trump's doing with cryptocurrency. We understand, Tesla and these other big companies are moving to Texas to save on money and lower taxes and lower wages. Texas stock market exchange is coming. So, okay, where are we looking at in here? Like what can we find of value here?